Let's be honest, starting a YouTube channel can feel overwhelming. Between finding your niche, researching topics, writing scripts, editing videos, creating thumbnails, and figuring out SEO, most beginners give up before they get any traction. But what if you could fast-track the entire process with AI? Let us break it down step by step so you can go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers using smart strategies and smart tools. Step 1. Pick a narrow, evergreen niche. Don't start a general channel. That's a recipe for burnout and low engagement. You want a specific niche that people are constantly searching for. Think minimalist budgeting, skincare for men, or anime breakdowns. Ask yourself, who do I want to help? What problem can I solve? Is this topic something people search for regularly? The narrower and more helpful your niche, the faster you'll grow. Pro tip: use AI tools like Syllabi to explore trending topics in your niche. It analyzes social platforms to show you exactly what people are talking about so you can jump on the right trends. Step 2. Research video topics based on demand. You don't want to post what you think is interesting. You want to post what your audience is actively searching for. To find high-potential video ideas, check Google Trends. Use YouTube Search Autocomplete. Browse Reddit or Facebook groups. Look at competitor channels and filter by most popular. This research step is key to finding low-competition topics with high interest. Syllabi can do this for you. It pulls in trending questions and content ideas in your niche, so you're never stuck staring at a blank page. Step 3. Write scripts that keep people watching. Your script should hook viewers in the first 5 seconds, deliver real value, and leave them wanting more. Use a structure like hook, what's in it for them? Setup, why this matters? Delivery, step-by-step solution or story. CTA, subscribe, like, comment, etc. If you're not a confident writer or just want to save time, this is where AI is a game changer. Step 4. Create faceless or low-effort videos. If you don't want to be on camera, no problem. Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up in 2025. Here are a few formats that work well. Animated explainers, stock video montages, screen recordings with voiceovers, slideshows with AI narration. With Syllabi, you can generate AI-powered videos directly from your scripts. Add a voiceover, visuals, and export done. No editing software or fancy gear required. I'll add a link to the official website in the description. Step 5. Optimize for SEO and upload consistently. Even the best video won't perform without proper optimization. You need to write keyword-rich titles and descriptions, use relevant hashtags, create clickable thumbnails, schedule uploads consistently. A basic goal for beginners would be 1 to 2 videos per week for 90 days.